The Webb rifle sling was adopted by the British in 1901. It is a single-piece sling made of cotton web fitted with a brass catch or hook on either end. The sling is attached to the rifle by passing the ends through the swivel from the outside, then fastening them onto the body of the sling by means of the brass attachments. Attachment to the front swivel is the same as the rear. Adjustment of the sling is accomplished by moving the attachment along the sling. This was the sling issued with the rifle for its entire service life. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting or helpful, go ahead and give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. For more information on this firearm and others, head on over to historyandfirearms.com.